Hello and welcome back everyone. It's Friday and time to get spiced in Charan's Q-Share. I hope everyone is taking the necessary precautions during these tough times. Please stay home, please stay safe. If you step out, please wear a mask. I hope everyone can come together and help each other out in these tough times. So stay home and stay safe. So this week I have a very interesting dish for you guys. A very interesting and very popular South Indian snack called Medu Vada or Vada. It is basically made of urad dal or white lentils, which are nothing but black lentils without the skin. It is very easy to prepare and very less ingredients needed. We'll be preparing it with some of the chutneys and dips. So let's get on to the video and let's get spiced. We take 1 cup of white lentils in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice flakes. We rinse them properly with water. Once we have rinsed them with water, we add 2 cups of water and let it soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we will take the soaked lentils and make it into a fine paste. To this paste, we add roughly about half chopped onion and some green chilies. Add some salt according to taste and mix it all well together. This batter is ready to be fried into a vada. We take oil in a wok and add round shaped small dough balls into the oil. Usually, the shape of a vada is like a donut, but I also like such bite-sized round shaped vadas. Once they are golden brown, we remove them from the oil and serve it hot with the dips and chutneys. Let us now prepare some chutneys for these vadas. For the coconut chutney, the ingredients are thinly sliced or grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of roasted chickpeas, green chilies, tamarind or tamarind paste. We take about 1/4 thinly sliced or grated fresh coconut. We add 2 tablespoons of roasted chickpeas, some green chilies and 1 inch of tamarind. We add some water and add some salt according to taste and blend it all into a fine chutney. Coconut chutney is ready. If needed, you can add a tadka of mustard seeds, dried red chilies and curry leaves. We take about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add some mustard seeds and cumin seeds. To this, we add thinly sliced onions and also add the tamarind to this. To this, we also add some 2 to 3 red dried chilies. After adding the red dried chilies, we mix them all together. We roast the onions on medium heat until they are well cooked and translucent. We add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder to this and blend it all together into a fine chutney. Serve these vadas hot with these chutneys. I'll also be coming up with some other types of chutney. Enjoy these vadas with these chutneys. Bon appetit! So that was it for this week guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please do try it at home and let me know how it was. This is something new or maybe you already know this dish. Please do try it and stay home and stay safe. Until next week, happy cooking and get spiced.